Gaston Sirino. Shabalala on his outside. Sirino! Wow! Oh, man! Oh, it's a party here at the Moses Mabhida Stadium. In them in 2018. Getting an opportunity to keep going at the highest level at the age of 33, and this is what he brings.
Well, clearly he runs at Mubara. Mubara decides to drop back. Instead of closing him down, Mubara allows him to come back on his stronger foot. And when you do that against a player of this quality, he will make you pay. I can't understand Mubara not committing. He had cover, and he gave Sirino so much space. But yet again, it's not just about